I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a bagel grilled cheese the only way. First, select a fresh bagel, perhaps a plain or an everything variety, and carefully slice it in half. This ensures both sides toast evenly and provides a perfect base for your delicious sandwich. Next, gather your ingredients, your favorite cheese, a good quality butter, and any additional fillings you might enjoy. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's assemble our bagel grilled cheese. Begin by spreading a generous, even layer of butter on the outer, cut sides of both bagel halves. This butter will create that perfect golden brown crust. Then, lay your preferred cheese, perhaps 2 or 3 slices, onto the unbuttered side of one bagel half. If you're adding extra fillings like a slice of ham or a few tomato slices, place them on top of the cheese before completing your sandwich with the other bagel half. It's time to grill your bagel grilled cheese to perfection. Heat a non-stick pan or griddle over a steady medium-low heat. This prevents burning and allows the cheese to melt slowly. Carefully place your assembled bagel sandwich into the hot pan, ensuring the buttered sides are down. Cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes on each side. You're looking for a beautiful golden brown crust and perfectly melted, gooey cheese inside, indicating it's ready. Once your bagel grilled cheese boasts a beautiful golden brown exterior and the cheese is wonderfully bubbly and melted, carefully remove it from the pan. It's a good idea to let it rest for about 1 minute before slicing. This allows the cheese to set slightly, preventing it from oozing out excessively. Slice it in half, perhaps diagonally, for an appealing presentation. Serve your perfectly crafted bagel grilled cheese immediately and savor every warm, cheesy bite. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.